I'm Jacqueline Nelson.
And I'm Mike Babbitt.
With earnings season in full swing, some of the largest companies in the U.S. have started to report their first quarter results. But there's a disconnect here, right, Mike?
Absolutely, Jacqueline. What you've got is a lot of companies beating the estimates of analysts on the profit side, but falling shy on the revenue side of the ledger.
Yeah, and it's interesting. It's across all different sectors. So, a major insurance company like Travelers, it's the same thing as with IBM or plane maker Boeing. We're really seeing this trend of, 3/4 of these companies that have reported so far beating on that profit number, that net income number, but only about less than half of them actually beating on the revenue side, on the top line side. And market watchers are saying that this is no coincidence.
Yeah, and Jacqueline, you got to keep two things in mind amid all of this. First, there's general broad-based strength in the U.S. dollar. It has been on a roll, and this is filtering through the markets, and several big American companies say it's hurting them. And at the same time, you've got extreme uncertainty in the oil markets, how the energy patch is being hit, has crude found its bottom, is it going to rise again? It's just left a cloud of uncertainty hanging over investors.
Right, and on top of that, when is the Fed going to raise rates? And actually, even beyond the U.S., there are big question marks hanging over Greece. A lot of the Eurozone is in turmoil right now. So amid all of this, a lot of investors have been flocking to the U.S. to invest there, to look for the returns in that hot market. Maybe they're not seeing the potential for it in their own economies. All of this is contributing to this trend of, low revenue numbers causing concern among investors.
Yeah, and then remember, Canadian companies have yet to come out in force. So hold on to your hats, and that's the bottom line.